know, I just fucking hate that thing when people get up on stage with a guitar and they're like, let me tell you what this song is about. But once you played it, I guess you can. No, it was just, that's all it was really. Do you know what? I got to the end of the story and I bored myself. So I just thought I'd play the song. It would just start as a poem, and you know, when we were in the studio, we were just fucking around most of the time, and that's why I think I like it, because it's instinctive, you know. We hadn't made a record like that before, where we'd write in the morning like that. That song was a poem that I had lying around, and came into the studio, and the lads had started this beautiful musical experiment, and then the poem fit right on top, you know. And Rubber Band Man Brandy Carlisle texted me some fucking lyrics that she woke up with one day, and that we just put it on top. You know, this shit can be easy when you got your hands out ready to catch the songs that fall from the sky, and it felt like there was an ease to this record that I liked and enjoyed, and that's the boring story. So. It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you sleep. I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck, and I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me hear the truth, which will refresh my broken mind. So tell me to post all my ears. I can see with those in my tears. All my calls, despite my faults, despite my growing fear. Come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand repentance when you know the Maker's hand. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be. Thanks so much.